Viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today we have with us one product. We have this is Bosch Aquatak pressure washer. So in the last video we have seen about the how this product is helpful while cleaning your bike or car. ఇలా చూసుంటారు కార్ ఎలా బైక్ క్లీన్ చేశాను. So I'll be showing you the unboxing video of this one, and I'll be showing how you can clean your car or bike in just 10 minutes. So coming to this product, so this is made by Bosch. This is pressure washer 125. So exact specifications are I'll be giving in the unboxing video. So before that, this is capacity of this pressure washer is 160 liters per hour. You can pump 160 liters per hour through this Aquatak pressure washer. So next చూసారంటే ఇది మీకు చూసారంటే చాలా చీప్గా ఉంటుంది. సో this product is around 10,500 rupees. I bought it on Amazon. I'll be giving the link in the description below. Please check it out. And you have a switch here, and you have you can see the outlet pressure water inlet. So you can keep your wire here. This is your gun. Okay, this is, you can get three nozzles here. So I told you to show you the unboxing video, and this is the unboxing video. You can get a wide range of accessories. You have to buy an extra accessories, as well as you'll be getting some standard accessories with this. So this is the accessories list. So this is the installation, how to install. You'll be getting step-by-step process. You'll be getting a water filter here and trio nozzle, and then I'm removing these things. You'll be getting this 6-meter high pressure hose, and I'll be taking off this. This is the attachment for water gun. So this is the machine I'm taking out. So you will be getting some switch here, water inlet, and there is gun attached here. So this is a manual you'll be getting with the product, and just showing you, this is the foam dispenser. You'll be getting a handle here, so you can lift it up, you can move. So this is the power cord, and trio nozzle. I'll be removing and attaching the foam dispenser to show you. you.